What's up, tubers? Some guns aren't looking for anything special, like fame. They can't be jammed, broken, reasoned, or negotiated with. Some guns are just made for war. I'm not good at speed shots yet. Today I'll be reviewing the greatest handgun ever made. This dinosaur will outlast humankind. When the mutant corona zombies attack, this will be the first gun I reach for. It has survived the gruelest torture test of any pistol and came out on top. And the handgun that I speak of today is the HK USP Expert. It's not that far, bro. Come on. What I'll do is load up 5 bullets from each different type of ammo and shoot each one to see if we have any feeding problems. USP. We'll start with the Federal 124, move to Federal 115, and continue from there. Now we'll shoot 5 rounds of each type of ammo to make sure they feed properly. As you can see, she fed each type of ammo perfectly and locked open at the end every time. Had a few weak ejections, but keep in mind that this is still a fairly new pistol, and because of the ammo shortage, I haven't broken her in yet. Nevertheless, she ate each type of ammo with 0 malfunctions. Moving on. Just to prove to everyone how durable the USP really is, I will do a torture test. I will drop the USP in this dirty stream. Just to prove to you how reliable and durable she really is. I'm not dropping this expensive gun in the water. Let somebody else do that bullshit. I will now fire the expert from 25 yards on a rest to see how tight of a group it will hold. Even though it came with adjustable windage sights, I've never adjusted them. So this test will tell me if I need to adjust them or not. Idiot. Let's see where we're hitting. I may have pulled that one. On a rest? How did you pull that one? Shut up. Okay, not too bad. Now let's shoot free-handed and see what kind of group I can get. Cool, look at that black spot it made. Haha, that's funny. Gotta shoot from your skill level. Okay. Fuck! Woohoo! Oh, I'm getting good at it now. Okay. This is definitely the funnest gun I have to shoot. The recoil impulse on it is so minimal. It doesn't even feel like you're shooting a 9mm anymore. If I had to gripe about anything, it would probably be this front sight post. It's all black and it's kind of hard to see. I prefer a small dot on the front sight post. The rear windage sights are fine. I just wish the square cutout in the back was a little bit wider. It's kind of tight, a little too tight for me. Okay, it takes me a moment to position the front post in that little square. What I will end up doing is probably putting some fiber optics on here. I prefer a red or orange front post, and I like it to be small. And I may or may not leave these rear windage sights on the back. Like I said, I just wish that square was just a little bit wider. But maybe with a smaller front post, it'll make it look like it's a little bit wider in the back because there's a smaller dot to put inside the U. All in all, this is a great gun, and I wish I had 2 more. Fuck! Stay still, you bitch! Well, I hope you enjoyed today's review of my HK USP Expert. It is by far my favorite gun on this planet, and will more than likely continue to be. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and hit the bell notification, because I will be uploading a lot of videos like this in the future. And you really want to watch them. I know you really want to watch them. Anyways, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
Wow.